Hello traders, this is Godsway here. A year ago, I made a video on how to create a real Deriv trading account to start trading synthetic indices, and most of you actually found the video helpful. And ever since then, Deriv has actually made few changes to the signing up process when it comes to creating a real Deriv trading account. So in this video, today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the Deriv trading account using the new method. So you just have to stay with me as I take you through this step by step. All right, so without further ado, let's jump into it. And of course, the link to this website is in the video description. If you want to create the account, just go ahead to the video description, click on a link, and it will take you to this website. Now when you come to this website, the first thing you have to do is to tap on create free demo account. So I just tap on it, and over here you paste your email address. Now I'm using a temporary email. I'm not using my email for this. This is just a tutorial. So after this, you tap on create a demo account, and a mail will be sent to the Gmail account that you are actually using. So in my case, let me quickly check my inbox to see if the mail has arrived, so that I'll verify it and we proceed from there. So I'll just check here quickly and see if it has come. Good. So they've actually sent the mail, and this is it. So this is the mail from Deriv. Okay, this is from Deriv, and let me check. So this is where I have to tap. They were like, verify my email. So I'll tap on this link and it will take me to another site, apparently the same Deriv website. So yeah, this I have to select my country. I'm currently residing in Ghana, so I'll quickly select Ghana from the list of countries available. Once I'm done with that, I'll tap on next, and of course I'm a citizen of Ghana, so I'll tap on yes. Over here I'll create a random password, so I'll just use this. Let's see how it's gonna work. Good. I just hope I remember the password. Good. So I'll tap on trading from here. Once that is done, this is just a tool, so you just tap on next, 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 and tap on start trading. Now over here, I'm just going to tap on OK. I don't want to repeat the tool. So once I'm here, you can see demo account is being shown up over here. Now I don't want a demo account. I want a real account that I can use to start trading Deriv. So I'll tap on the demo and I'll tap on real. So from here, I want to create a real account, but first off, I have to create an options and multipliers account. So I'll tap on get an options account. So first, I'll select my fiat currency, which definitely going to be the US dollar. But of course, if you want to select a different one, you can go ahead with either euro, pound sterling, or Australian dollar. If you want to select any cryptocurrency as well, you can select it. But for now, I'm not going to select. I'm just going to tap on next, and over here I'll enter my name. Let's assume my name is John. Of course, my name is not John, so John King. Let's say I didn't say John Key, I said John King, right? So let's say this is my name and date of birth. Let's assume I'm born on, let's say, 94, and yeah, I think I'll just set this date. Apparently you have to be 18 years and above, so yeah, that's the main reason I went back in date, so that I'll have everything intact. Now your phone number is also needed, so I'm just going to enter an imaginary number over here. So let's say, okay, the number is 558214211. all right, so I'll tap on next, and I can fill from here. I'll have to fill in my address. So first line of address, let's say I'm residing in Kumasi, and the second line of address is not that much needed, and the third one is also Kumasi. And of course, the details that you are entering at this place, you have to make sure they are correct, okay, because you are going to verify your account. And if that stage, you've reached that stage, you need to provide detailed information, accurate information. So be sure the address that you are entering is correct. Now the state or province and the zip code or postal code is not that much necessary, so you can just tap on next, And over here, identity information, that's step 4 out of 5. So here, let's say I'm going to choose passports. Right now, this is where they've done this one. I mean, the needed thing that you have to do. Most of the time, I mean, in the previous video, there was no step like this. You can literally start using the account without having to go through this. Okay, so over here, I'll just select maybe passports. Now, if you're in Ghana, you can select passports or any of these IDs and use your Ghana card as the mean of verification. So for now, I'll pause this video over here because literally I'm not going to use my this one. Based on the information I've entered earlier, they are not accurate information, so I'm not going to enter any detail over here. I mean, details on my Ghana card, I may not enter them over here. Reason being that the information I entered earlier, they are not accurate information. They are just something to show you how you can also create the account. Now, this is the main thing I want you to learn. That is why I've actually created this video. So at this point, you just enter your Ghana card number. I mean, any identification. Maybe you're not in Ghana, you're in different country. You just enter the details over here. Right, once you are done with that, this will pop up and you just tap on next. When you tap on next, you are done. That is the 5th step. You can say this is step 4 out of step 5. So when you go to the next page, that is definitely the last page, and your account will be ready and you can start trading with it. Now, all that you need to do from that stage is to get your Deriv account ready. Now let me show you something before I even leave. Okay, let me show you something. Let's go back to this place. Now, this is the account you are to create Deriv. Okay, you come to the CFDs. Okay, when you come to the CFDs, you tap on get derived. This is the account you are to use. Okay, so basically that is it, and I hope this video actually help you. And of course, if you have any question, feel free ask me, and you can also reach out to me via Telegram. You're probably going to find a link in the video description to reach out to me, and I'll be glad to assist you. I actually have a page on Telegram dedicated to helping you create Deriv account. Just in case you have any problem, hit me up there. I'll be very glad to help you out. As because of you, I'm here just to make sure you get the best out of whatever you do as far as trading is concerned. My name is Godsway, and I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.